This tutorial will show you how to use gradient tool in Photoshop. First of all, select the gradient tool and click on this gradient style. From here you can select any style. And from here you can change the gradient angle. Now simply draw the gradient here, and you can change the gradient mode. From here you can change the opacity. So that's how we can use gradient tool. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.